meter per second square.
No, I'll have to pass. LKS Goten, your first chance.
3g sin theta.
Not 3g sin theta. Vallabh Ashrams, not answering. MMPS,
G cos theta.
not g cos theta. DPS Jodhpur,
G.
not g only. Rajkot, not answering. Rajkumar College,
G sin theta minus mu k cos G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta.
no, that's not the right answer. Kanpur,
0. 0.
not 0.
5g sin theta by 2.
Is 5g sin theta by 2. No, that's not the right answer. Not answering. Question was for Vash, was it? And you didn't answer. Well, the answer was 5 by 7 g sin theta. Okay? Alright. Now, question for the host school. If the change in the value of g at a height h above the Earth's surface is same as at a depth x below it, then what is the relation between x and h? If the value of g at a height h above the Earth's surface is same as at a depth x below the same Earth's surface, then what is the relation between x and h? Sorry?
The height is very high or it's normal means less. No, the information is there.
It's what you've got in the question. It's the same height.
2h is equal to x.
2h is equal to x. I'll give that to you. 10 points. Well done, Goten. Alright, Vallabh Ashrams. At what displacement will the kinetic and potential energies of a particle executing simple harmonic motion with an amplitude A be equal? At what displacement will the kinetic and potential energies be equal?
Zero displacement.
Sorry? Zero. That's not the right answer, I'm afraid. MMPS?
Midway. Midway.
Not midway. No. Delhi Public School, Jodhpur? Not answering.
At 3/4 of the displacement.
3/4 of the displacement. No, that's not the right answer.
When it's a free fall, the end height of the displacement, the end of the displacement.
What's your answer?
The topmost.
No, that's not the right answer. Team 1. Rajkumar College. No answer. Okay. Kanpur. Not trying. Jaipur.
A by root 2.
A by root 2. You had a confident nod. Well done. 5 points. Alright. Question for MMPS. Udaipur, another regular at this quiz. You also done well in the past. Question for you. When a pressure of 100 atmosphere is applied on a spherical ball, then its volume reduces to 0.01%. What is the bulk modulus of the material of rubber in terms of dynes per centimeter square? 100 atmosphere is the pressure, spherical ball, volume reduces to 0.01%. What is the bulk modulus of the material of rubber? Dynes per centimeter square.
10 to the power 5 dynes per centimeter square.
You had time, 30 seconds. Are you sure of the answer? Well, since you've given one and which is not the right one, I'm sorry, I'll have to move on. That's not the right answer. DPS Jodhpur.
10 to the power 10.
Not 10 to the power 10. Rajkot.
10 to the power 7.
Not 10 to the power 7. So we've had 5, 10, 7. Okay, let's see. Raipur.
power 3.
Not 10 to the power 3. Okay. Kanpur.
10 to the power 7.
Someone's answered that. See, you're not paying attention to the quiz. That's a waste of an answer. I'm sorry. Maheshwari Public School, Jaipur.
10 to the power 5.
Again, I've heard that before. You're not paying attention. Birla Public School.
1.
Not 1. Vivani. No, that's not the right answer. Gotan.
10 to the power 12 dynes per centimeter square.
Brilliant. That is the right answer. 10 to the power 12. I'm sure you had lots and lots of time to work that out. You had some extra time and you made good use of it. Well done. 5 points to the host team. Alright, DPS Jodhpur. To what temperature should hydrogen at 327 degrees Celsius be cooled at constant pressure so that the root mean square velocity of its molecules become half of its previous value? To what temperature should hydrogen at 327 degrees C be cooled at constant pressure so that the RMS velocity of its molecules be half of its previous value? You can give me the answer in Kelvin or degree C.
1/4.
You have 30 seconds.
1/4 of the temperature given. That was 81.2.
1/4 of 327 degrees C, which is not the right answer, I'm afraid. Rajkumar College. Not answering. Team 1. Not trying. Kanpur. Still working out. No answer. Maheshwari Public School.
Minus 148 degrees Celsius.
Minus 1.
48 degrees Celsius.
I'm sorry, I can't give it to you. Not the right answer. Birla Public School. Not trying. Okay. Team 5. Bhivani.
150 Kelvin.
Can you be clear?
150 Kelvin.
150 Kelvin. 150 Kelvin or minus 123 degrees Celsius. I'll give that to you. 5 points for team number 5. Well done. Alright. Rajkumar College, Rajkot. What is the work done by 0.1 mole of a gas at 27 degrees Celsius to double its volume at constant pressure? Given R is equal to 2 calorie per mole into Kelvin. .1 mole of gas, 27 degrees Celsius, double its volume at constant pressure. R is 2 calorie per mole Kelvin. Do you have an answer? I can give you 5 seconds extra. No. Okay. Not answering. Rajkumar College. What's the answer? Not trying. Sir Padampat Singh Kanya. 120. 120 what? No, that's not the right answer. This is physics and I'm stressing on the fact that please come up with answers that have a unit. Without units, answers don't really work. Maheshwari Public School, Jaipur. Yes, I did hear something. Yes, I'll have to move on.
60.
60 what?
Joules.
Okay, I'll have to move on. I might come back to you. Birla Public School?
24 joules.
No. Vash Model?
4140 calories.
No.
60 calories.
60 calorie, I'll give that to you. You did have to come up with the right unit, I'm afraid. 60 joules and 60 calories make a lot of difference. I'm sure you appreciate that. Yeah? Okay, just having said 60, can't give you points, I'm sorry. Rajkumar College, last question of the first half of the first round. What is the work done by 0.1 mole of a gas at 27 degrees Celsius? Sorry, I just asked you this. The question for you is 1 mole of an ideal gas at an initial temperature of T Kelvin does 6 joules of work adiabatically. If the ratio of specific heats of this gas at constant pressure and constant volume is 5/3, what is the final temperature of the gas? 1 mole of an ideal gas at initial temperature T Kelvin does 6 joules of work adiabatically, that's important. If the ratio of specific heats of this gas at constant pressure and constant volumes 5/3, what is the final temperature of the gas? I can give you some more time. I know it involves mathematics. In case you're answering. No clue. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry, I'll have to move on. No, it's passing. Pass, this is a pass question. Oh, this. Yeah, but was this the first question? Wasn't this the last question? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Thanks for correcting me. I have a very helpful panel here. Okay. Past question to DPS. Pass.
5T.
Can you be louder?
5T.
5T. No. Vallabh Ashrams?
10T.
Not 10T. LK Singhania? Gautam?
T minus 4 Kelvin.
T minus 4 Kelvin is absolutely the right answer. Well done, Gautam. Brilliant teamwork. That's a very good teamwork. 5 points. Okay. Question for DPS, Jodhpur. Find the temperature at which the speed of sound in air becomes double of its value at 27 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature at which the speed of sound in air doubles at 27 degrees C.
Kelvins.
1200 Kelvin is the right answer. Well done. 10 points. After a long time. MMPS. A sound source is moving towards a stationary listener with 1/10 of speed of sound. Find the ratio of apparent to real frequency. A sound source is moving towards a stationary listener with 1/10 of speed of sound. Find the ratio of apparent to real frequency.
times.
Which is what? 11 to 1. No, that's not the right answer. Vallabh Ashrams. That's a past question, can't give you much more time than that. Sorry. LK's Gotan.
9:10.
Yeah, I'll help you with that. I said the ratio of apparent to real frequency. What's the answer?
10:9.
10:9. That's the right answer. I was waiting for the right order. And good that you clarified. 5 points. Alright, Vallabh Ashrams.